presenting the Toyota 2017 Tacoma TRD Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist, brake actuated limited slip differential, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-season and tires, rear all-season. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.